Another newer feature of Google Classroom is interactive videos. You can find interactive videos in the same place you can find practice sets. So in this resources area, you'll see a list of all of your practice sets, but also all your interactive videos. You can create these in advance by clicking new video activity, or you can create them on the fly when creating an assignment. So the creation process is the same, whether you do it within an assignment or in advance. So I'm just going to show you how to do it from an assignment. So I'm going to go to my period 1 class, and I'm going to create an assignment. I'm going to call it Columbian Exchange. And then I'm going to find the YouTube video that I'd like to make interactive. Now, if I already have video activities, which I actually do for this one, you can click on your existing video activities, and this will show you just your interactive videos in your resources library. And you can click on one here, but I'm just going to pretend that I'm doing this from scratch. And this is searching YouTube. This is the video that I would like. Now, if I want to preview it and see that I have the right one, I can do that here, but I'm just going to go ahead and click Add Questions. Now, what's nice is that Google Classroom is now using AI to auto-generate questions. These questions are based on the video transcript, so when the question is created, it's actually going to line up with the spot in the video. So I always suggest that you go ahead and you look at all these generated questions. If there's one that you do not like, you can go ahead and you can click delete to remove it. If you'd like to add a question, you click this add button and you can choose which question type. So checkboxes allow students to select multiple. Multiple is just one answer is correct, and then open-ended would be for short answer. So I'll just do an open-ended. So I'll say, what I think was biggest benefit of the Columbian Exchange? And then this is also important. Where's that question going to appear? So I don't want that question right here because I want them, this is probably going to be the last question that they answer. And I can preview the video up here and see. All right, and this is toward the end. So I'm actually going to put it at the 11:37 mark. And that will be the last question that students would answer. And I'm going to save that. Now, if I want to preview what it looks like as a student, I can click Try as Student. And this basically what happens is as the student views the video, when it gets to the question, the video stops and the students are able to answer the question. If they get the question correct, they're going to get that immediate feedback. All right, when you're ready to attach this to your assignment, go ahead and click Attach. All right, it's giving you this reminder to make sure that you review all those questions. All right, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to assign this just like you would any other assignment. And as the assignments come in, it'll work just like practice sets where you can click Review Work and you can see which students have done the activity and their performance on each one of the questions. So that is the interactive video feature of Google Classroom.